This guide will help you understand the process of requesting payouts on Instagram. Follow these steps to ensure you complete the process smoothly. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before requesting a payout, ensure that you meet Instagram's eligibility requirements. This typically includes having a business account and meeting any minimum follower or engagement thresholds. Step 2. Link your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Access the payout section. Once your payment method is linked, go to the monetization section of your account. Look for the Payouts or Earnings tab where you can view your accumulated earnings. Step 4. Request your payout. In the Payouts section, you will find an option to request a payout. Click on this option, review the amount you wish to withdraw, and confirm your request. Step 5. Monitor your payout status. After submitting your payout request, keep an eye on the status. You can check for updates in the same payout section to see when your funds will be processed and transferred. By following these steps, you can easily navigate the payout request process on Instagram. Good luck with your earnings.